To fix the Whirlpool Dishwasher F7E1 error code, it's essential to understand what this code means. The F7E1 error code indicates a problem with the dishwasher's heating element. Several factors can cause this error, including loose wire connections, a faulty control board, or a faulty heater. To resolve the issue, start by inspecting the wire connections. Unplug the dishwasher, remove the front panel to access the wiring, and check for loose or worn-out wires. Tighten any loose connections and replace worn-out wires with new ones. Then reassemble the machine and test it. Next, inspect the heating element by unplugging the dishwasher and checking for rust or scaling, which may indicate the need for replacement. Use a multimeter to check the continuity of the heating element to the thermostat, and replace the element if it's damaged. If the issue persists, inspect the control board by powering off the dishwasher, removing the front panel, and checking for damage. Replace the control board if necessary. Then reassemble the dishwasher and test it. If none of these solutions work, it's recommended to contact a professional for further guidance.